Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another one. In this video, we're going to be hunting in the rain. So we finally got some much needed rain here in Iowa, and it rained basically all afternoon on Friday through the night. Some pretty heavy downpours on the way to the field Saturday morning. There was a couple times where I had to slow down pretty good to be able to see where I was going. And then it just rained on and off throughout the whole day, but the dogs didn't mind. We just put on some rain gear and went after it. Found out my boots were not waterproof, even though they stated they are waterproof, so that kind of sucked. So by the end of the day, I was definitely ready to be done with that, and definitely gonna have to look at a different pair of boots. But let me also know in the comments if you want me to narrate the videos as I go through them, or if you just like the short clips of the dogs doing what the dogs do, the birds getting up, and hopefully us bagging them if they're roosters. So let me know down in the comments. Be sure to like, subscribe, share. But anyways, let's get into it. Ooh, it's raining, man. It is raining. Oh. Hen, no bird. No bird. Oh, fun. I missed on the first one for sure. You hit it. Good girl, though. Oh, here, you. Good girl. Good girl. Oh. Good girl. Murph. Murphy. Fun, Murph. Fun. Murph. Here. Murph. I feel like he's on. That thing cover. Okay, here. Lola. Oh, girl. Here. Heel. Awesome. Awesome. Lola. Awesome. Sometimes you gotta be a blocker. Perfect. Oh boy. Wow. Here. Wow, that was holding tight. Good girl, though. Gun's so dang slippery. Oh! Get him, Murph! Oh! Get him, low! Low! Get him, Murphy! Good boy! Get him, Murph! Get him, Murph! Murph, fetch! Fetch! Good! Hold! Lola! Lola! Good boy, Murph. Yeah, that's alright. Lola, here. Hey, good boy. Nice run down, Murphy. Hey. That's a good boy. Lola, here. I need to stop and wait. Murph, here. Murphy. 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 Murph. Here. Murphy. Now he's probably on the same one. 10. No bird. Oh, we got a... Boy, here. Get him. Come here. Load it. Hands. No. They're all running around ahead of them. Heel. Nick, see to your right. Heel. 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 Lola, heel. Lola. Heel. 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 Lola. Heel. Heel. Oh, no. Head. Oh my goodness, there's so many birds out here. Lola. Come on now. Find him, Murph. Lola. Lola. Oh, two of them just flew.
Hawkeye here. Diesel, here. Here, Hawk.
Hen.
Come here. Go. Go. Hawkeye.
Warmer. Hen. No bird. No bird. Come on, fine. Find him.
Oh, good boy, Keith.
That was right next to you. There it is.
Okay, here. Get it. Here, Hawk. I'm not sure who got that one.
We shot at the same time.
I know. Tyler, you got dog.
Murph!
Lola by that bird.
Yeah.
Diesel, here.
Lola here.
Go.
You might have trouble finding it.
They'll find it. Those two in there. Bring it here. Regardless, I think it was double tap.
Yeah.
Here. Hawkeye, here. Here.
She might be chasing that thing.
I know. Come here. Here. Bring it here. Touch it up. Here. Touch it up. There's Diesel's on point.
Yeah, Lola keeps. There, she's got it.
Diesel.
Lola here.
Diesel here. Diesel here.
Lola, hold.
Diesel.
Hold.
No, here.
Hold. Hold.
Here.
Hold. Yes. Good girl. Good girl, Lola. Not bad, not bad. Find him. Hen. And jeez. Holy cannoli, little lowly. Might be another one. Hen. Lola, no bird.
Okay, no.
No way. Did you get it? Oh, right in the water. Murph. Lola, here. Lola.
Okay, bring him here. Okay, up. Okay, up here. Good boy. Murph's coming to you.
Come on, Murph. Here. Murph, here. Good boy. Hold. Hold. Here. Hold it off. Murph, here. Here. Good boy. Here. Murph. Good boy. There was one right up there that got up. But, well, by the time they cleared it, then it's so far. Yeah.
I must have been hit though.
This one?
Yeah, landed in that fucking tree. You get sweet in there now. Got it? There you go.
Yeah, by the time I raised up, it was either shoot before the house, and then it was shoot after, and by the time it was after,
It was a long ways. I waited. I fucking waited.
I ran up here because I was like, if it goes on this side of the tree, I'm like,
Well, I was like, I was gonna get a little closer. And I'm like, I can see this sucker like.
yeah.
He must have been hit.
Yeah, that's where that rooster got up. There might be another one. Murphy. Murph! Murph! Oh, nice shot, man! Oh. Nice shot! Get it, Murphy! I think I was behind it. Good boy, Murphy.
Good boy. I tell you what, you know how I texted you the other day about watching your videos is making me a better shooter.
Good boy, come on.
Because I know that I guarantee you I'm so far behind them.
Yeah, I was way behind that one. Come on, Murph, good boy. Cross the water. Here. Good, here. Murphy, here. Lola, here. Lola, you are such a bird hog. Lola.
He's on point.
Why are you late? Lola, here.
Ready. Fuck the guy. Here. Here, get out of there. Here. Here.
Well, I hope everyone enjoyed that wet hunt. It was a lot of fun, new experience for us, and I'm glad we didn't stay home. We got a decent amount of birds, saw a ton of birds. Unfortunately, we walked a couple fields wrong. Should have definitely did them different. Now knowing where the food plots are located in these fields, we'll walk them different the next time around that we go to this place. But overall, very satisfying hunt, cool new experience, and great to just get the dogs out and work. So again, thank you for tuning in. If you haven't hit that subscribe button, be sure to do that. Appreciate y'all. Thank you.